Welcome to Air Greenland's customer club, Club Timmisa. As a member, you will have all of Club Timmisa's benefits at your fingertips. In our app, you will find inspiration for your next trip. You have access to Air Greenland's best offers before everyone else. And you can easily book your next trip with Air Greenland on your mobile. Relax and enjoy the journey, knowing that you can pull up an overview of your travels at any time to check when your flight departs. As a Club Timmisa member, you will receive an entry in our draw every third month. With that entry, you participate in our draw, where you, 4 times a year, will have the chance to win a travel gift card with Air Greenland. Who knows if it'll be you who suddenly gets the opportunity to visit the family an extra time, or see new sides of our beautiful country. We are looking forward to welcoming you on board as a member. Club Timmisa, fly with us.